Most people, most of the time, want their double-sided facing pages documents to flow in a predictable manner. For example, if I open the Pages panel here, and I select the third page and drag it up to before the first page, then InDesign reflows, it reshuffles all the pages so that this becomes the first page and the other ones become normal spreads. But every now and again, you have different needs. What if you want a 3-page spread in the middle of a document? Or maybe you want to start your document on a left-hand page. In that case, you have to adjust its shuffling. Actually, here's a little trick. If I really want a document to start on a left-hand page, the easiest thing to do is to start it on an even number. For example, right now, this is starting on page 47. If I select that page and go to the flyout menu in the Pages panel and choose Numbering and Section Options, I can change that to, let's say, 46 instead of 47. Now it becomes a left-hand page and all the other pages flow or shuffle after it. But what if I really did want it to start on page 47 and still be a left-hand page? Can I do that? Sure you can. Here we need to go to the Pages panel flyout menu and turn off the option for Allow Document Pages to Shuffle. When you turn that option off, InDesign freezes the layout more or less in just the way it is. Now I can go back to this page, go to Numbering and Section Options, and set the page number back to 47. I just press the up arrow on my keyboard, and then I press Enter or Return to click the OK button, and we can see that this page now starts on page 47, but it's a left-hand page. Because that Shuffle Pages option is turned off, I can actually move pages anywhere I want in my document and they'll stick. For example, I just drag that page up and you can see we now have a 3-page spread here. I can drag this page up on this side and we can have a 3-page spread over here. Sometimes you want a multi-page spread in the middle of the document, but you still want document shuffling turned on. And you can do that too. Let me revert this document so we can go back to where we were. Now I'm going to select this spread, pages 48 to 49, and I'm going to turn off Allow Selected Spread to Shuffle. I'll do the same thing for this spread too. Notice that when I turn that option off, InDesign places brackets around the page numbers to indicate that these are island spreads, sort of floating in the middle of a shuffling document. Now, if I drag a page up and drop it next to this spread, it becomes a 3-page spread, just like I saw before. And I'll drag this other page up to be on the left side here, and this is the way you'd create a 3-page folding spread. Maybe one of these pages would fold into the others. But the rest of the document shuffles as normal. As you can see, turning Shuffle Pages on and off gives you a lot of flexibility when moving pages around your document. And that's what InDesign is all about, right? Flexibility.